Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Are you ready to upgrade your home cooling game? I'm super excited to share my hands-on review of the Midea 12,000 BTU window air conditioner, and trust me, this thing is a total game changer. First off, let's talk about its ultra-quiet operation. What that means in plain English is that you won't even notice this AC is on unless you're right next to it. And I mean, who wants to hear that loud humming noise all day? Not me. With the U-shaped design, Midea uses your window as a natural sound barrier, keeping the outside noise out and minimizing vibration too. It's 9 times quieter than traditional units, with an operation level of just 32 dBA, so quiet it's almost like having your own personal cocoon. But what really gets me excited is its energy-saving capabilities. With advanced DC inverter technology, Midea U achieves over 37% energy savings compared to other traditional units. That's huge, folks. Not only does that mean you'll save money on your utility bills, but it also means less strain on the environment. And with the Energy Star certification, you can trust that this AC is truly efficient. Now, let's talk about control. Midea U is Wi-Fi enabled, which means you can control it from anywhere using the Smart Home app on your iOS or Android device. Imagine coming home to a cool, refreshing house, no matter where you are in the world. You can also use voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant devices for an even more seamless experience. But here's the thing, Midea U isn't just about being smart, it's also super practical. The flexible window opening feature allows your window to open, bringing fresh air into your home and maintaining more of your view when the AC is installed. And when you close it up, the anti-theft mechanism locks the window for added safety. Last but not least, let's talk about installation. I know what you're thinking, installation? Isn't that a pain? But trust me, Midea U makes it ridiculously easy. With just a few simple steps, including attaching the quick snap bracket and setting the air conditioner on it, you'll be up and running in no time. In summary, the Midea 12,000 BTU is an absolute powerhouse of innovation. Its ultra-quiet operation, impressive energy savings, smart control features, flexible design, and robust installation make it a must-have for anyone looking to level up their home cooling game. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the link below to get your hands on this amazing product, and get ready to experience the coolest air in town.